Hey, what's up guys? This is part 2 of the visual bucket coding. Today we'll be covering commands. Last time I did forget to add one thing, so we will also be adding that. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let's hop right into it. So as you guys know, this is what we did last time. But today we'll be covering commands. So you want to go up to the search box, type in command, or I just typed COMM, but you could type in commands, and then the top part is what you want the command to be. The aliases or whatever that's called is like another name that you could do. So you could do like /A or something if you type A into the aliases. You don't really need it for what we're doing. Permission operator, because I want people that have the operator status to be able to run the GMC command. And per message, that's pretty self-explanatory. And set player game mode, you could, this time it's not event player, it's command sender, because I'm talking about the person who's sending the command. And then you tap game mode, and then you tap creative, and then I'm just gonna copy and paste that. And then something that I did is I put them together, but then I took them apart right away, because then I was like, wait, no, that's not how it goes, because they have to be different commands for each one. So pretty much what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take them all apart, copy the command thing, and then paste them all where they need to go, and that'll pretty much be it. So here I'm just copying, pasting, and changing the actual command part, but you don't need to change anything else except what it says on the game mode and the actual command. You don't need to change like the operator status or anything, unless you want certain people to do the command /game mode. But if you don't want a permission, just leave it blank. Don't type default or anything, just leave it completely blank. I just want operators to do this, even though this is just my test server. And so I named that spectator. So those are the commands. Then here I was thinking of doing another command, or actually I'm sending a message first, I forgot. So message, you could use color codes if you want. You could look up any color codes. I'm using gold, which is AND6. Later in the video I'll switch it to red, so you know it's not essentials, because I forgot about that. And then so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write what I want, copy and paste it, and then where I said you are now in creative, I'm just going to change that to adventure, survival, and spectator. So that's pretty much all I did there. Again, very simple, very easy. I know this is the old version, new version confusing for me, that's why I don't use it. Then I'm going to copy it one more time, and then after I'm thinking of doing another command, but yeah, sorry, I did something wrong, so I did Control Z and I need to make sure my other thing was still there. But I think of doing another command, but then I decide not to, because it would be more advanced, which I'll probably do next video. But yeah, so right here is when I'm going to do it. Anyways, what you want to do now, if you already have the whole side thing filled out from last video, you could change the version. I'm just going to keep it the same, it doesn't really matter. And then you're going to go build plugin. When it's finished, or just let it load for a little bit, but when it's finished you want to open the file. You want to double click, I don't even know what I'm doing here. You want to double click the target, it's going to say target, and then when you double click that, it'll show two options. It'll show original, so I'm going to double click target, it'll show original, and it'll show like original YouTube or YouTube. So you want to make sure you don't use the original, because if you do use the original, it will not work. So, well, it will work, but it's just going to be the plugin before you code anything, so it's not going to have anything. So what you're going to do is just drag and drop it right into your server, and then you're going to want to /reload your server or restart it. I just did /reload, and once it started up, there we go. I tested it, and some people might be like, oh, it's golden, so that means it's from Essentials. But it's not from Essentials because they don't have those words. But just to show you guys, I will, here, those are all the commands that shows you them, but just to show you guys, I will go back and change it to red. So here in a second, yeah, there we go. I'm gonna go close that, and to change it to red I just did &4, and then after this you're just gonna want to delete. You have to make sure you delete the other plugin and then replace it with the new one so it works right. So delete that plugin and build plugin. There, I already built it and I already put it in. /reload again, and there we go. And then /gmc. I was just lagging a little bit. You're now in creative and it's red now. So that's how you guys know that is what I made it, not Essentials. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys what I forgot to add last time. So if I go over there, back to bucket, visual bucket, and then I heard a creeper explode, and I'm like, wait, what just happened? It's because I never changed myself back into creative. There we go. And then let me go back. And then, so what, I messed up a little bit here at the very beginning, but what I meant to do is type game mode, but I typed set join message, which I already did. So I'm gonna want to do game mode, and then game mode will, and then so you could do game mode of not command center because this is the player event player, and then tap game mode on there and just tap creative or adventure. Most people like adventure because for their lobby, so when people join they can't be breaking stuff. So yeah, and if it's like a staff server you can make it so when they join they're always in creative. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.